Hey everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel once again. We're going to be working on a 24 by 24 inch canvas today. I'm going to do a different design today. I'm going to do one more whimsical looking. I'm going to go through my color choices now before I actually flood my canvas. So today we're going to go with, this is a champagne, a pewter, this is quinacridone magenta, iridescent white, and a gold. Those are my colors, 5 colors for today. So I think those color choices look good today as they're standing in the bottle. Let's hope for the best. And hopefully this design will look really good with those color choices. I am going to, as usual, flood my canvas with my PPG house interior paint. And after I do that, we will come back and we'll start designing this nice size canvas. So this is going to be a fun one, guys. We've covered our canvas and we're looking good, ready to get started on our design today. So I think I'm going to start out with this champagne color. I was kind of hesitant starting with the champagne, but I've never laid the champagne color down first. So let's see what happens. I wonder what it would look like with just that one color on it. I'm going to take that little dot out of there that ended up splattering. Okay, now with this pewter, I've never done these colors before. It works better with 2 hands, that's for sure. All right, I don't want that to overtake my painting, so just a little will go a long way, I think. Now with the magenta. I'll put a focal point definitely right there just to bring it all in together. So let's see if this will work, guys. here we are with what it looks like right now. Before we begin working on this stuff. Really good.